In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Simplex. Now to do this, you want to go to their official website and you want to go to the top right where it says buy crypto and you want to click on that. Now from here, it's going to take you to a separate page where you have to first select Bitcoin and how much you want to purchase. So by default, it's going to look like this. You want to make sure BTC is selected over here. If it's not, search for it and click on Bitcoin. And then from here, you can also select what you want to pay with. Click on here and type in your currency. I'm going to go USD right now, and I'm going to click on it. Now here you could go and either type in how much Bitcoin you'd like to purchase, and it's going to automatically tell you how much that is in your currency, or you could also go and of course type in how much you want to spend on Bitcoin. So if I do, for example, $200, it's going to show me how much I'll get. When you do this, you want to type in your Bitcoin address, your receiving address, or of course you want to connect your wallet if you want to as well. If you click on that, you can connect any of these wallets if you have your extensions installed, but I'm just going to show you how to actually paste in your Bitcoin address, okay? So go ahead and open up any wallet. For me, I'm using MetaMask. You could be using something like Rabby, Trust Wallet, or something else. I'm going to go with MetaMask. You want to find your network. For me, it's going to be Bitcoin, and then you want to select, of course, the Bitcoin, kind of the coin over here, and then you want to click on receive. Now inside receive, you'll be able to copy your receiving address, and you want to paste that in here, and that's going to be, of course, the address you're going to receive your Bitcoin to. When you're done, click on the continue button over here, and make sure you actually double check this so you know it's the correct address. And when you've done this, it's going to allow you to buy your Bitcoin. So here you can see how much you pay, how much you're going to get in BTC. And of course, you can go through Google Pay or just type in your card. So here you have the card number, expiration date, CVV, and then your name. And then down here, of course, you have to save card for future use if you want to. That's not necessary. And you have to read and agree to the terms and conditions and of course, privacy notice before you can proceed. Now, when you've read this and you agree, click on a check mark and you can select if you want occasional email offers as well, and then click on buy with card like this, and it's going to basically buy it this amount worth. Make sure you have enough money on your card before you do this, and then it's going to basically send that specific amount of Bitcoin into your wallet, and you'll find it in just a few minutes. Okay, usually it's quite quick. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.